Welcome back to another muzzle to rear show and tell type video. Today we have something from FULTON ARMORY. Check them out. They have a variety of custom items or hand assembled. So what I have here is a custom order of the FAR-15 Legacy Rifle Upper. And we'll go through what I ordered versus what you can order through their option process. So you can basically fine-tune your custom order however close you want to make it clone accurate. So we start at the muzzle. I have here the muzzle device flash suppressor A1 AR-15 half by 28 threads. So you can see here it is the 5 slot all the way around flash suppressor style. We'll get to options in a moment. Working our way backwards, barrel is a 20-inch AR pencil contour, and I had opted for the 1 1/8 twist. I don't know if you can see that there. Chrome lined, threaded, match quality, FA by Criterion. So you may know of the Criterion brand. Check them out for their type of barrels. But again, 20-inch pencil contour, 1 1/8 twist, chrome lined, match quality, Criterion manufactured barrel. Front sight base forged with bayonet lug, installed with taper pins, custom. So if you look at the pins used, you can see on this end versus this end. And you can also see the forge markings as well. Okay, and that covers what's on the manifest. So if I refer to my notes on what is actually standard on their FAR-15 Legacy Rifle Upper, it's considered ready to go on lower. Standard upper receiver, as we get to that now, is M16 slick side. So you can see there's no forward assist assembly. It is slick sided. They do install the ejection port cover with the little C-clip at the end here. We continue on the receiver. M16 slick side with a new A1 rear sight, forged, machined, anodized. So you can see here the A1 style rear sight, and it is the 2-position flip. Same aperture with the, should have the L mark, fixed carry handle of course, this being the Legacy. We have the Retro 601 charging handle. So those who know the model 601, it is the triangular style of charging handle. So you can see the grooves there, the triangular profile, the single latch on this side. Tuck that back in for a second. Now this is what they offer standard: 1 inch by 12 pencil contour, match quality, chrome, moly chrome lined, 223 by 5.56 NATO hybrid match chamber. So I interpret that as 223 Wildy, but feel free to correct me on that. This one again that I ordered is 1 1/8. Parts GI and true mil spec. Also have GI, M16, HPT, and MPI bolt. So high pressure test, metal particle tested, bolt with HD extractor spring and the early slip ring. This is the early slip ring. You see the cylindrical profile as opposed to taper profile. Here we have the bolt. Carrier Group. Give you another look at the charging handle. Again, slick side. You see the typical profile on this side. Okay, what else do we got? Handguard, new M16 triangular. You see that there, and very new. And they're quite thick, so don't let the appearance fool you. They are not flimsy. In fact, let's see if I can show you how much material there is between here and here, the outer edge. Let's see how the seams are along the top and the bottom for these style of handguards, as opposed to the modern ones that flip top and bottom. Gas block front sight, again forged with bayonet lug, taper pinned with A1 round post. So it's not the square front sight post. We do have a round one, and 0.625 inch for the glass block. Muzzle device, now standard, they offer the M16 3-prong. So that would be the duck bill, and then they also have a weight of 4.5 pounds, a length total of this 28.5 inches. So let's get back that ruler I dropped, and yes indeed, we look, try to get some of that glare off of there where my finger is. That's with the duck bill. So, if we look at options, and we're getting the nitty gritty here. Again, the 20-inch AR pencil contour, 1x8, that's what I got. Chrome line threaded match quality FA by Criterion. Muzzle device, we have various options here. You have the flash suppressor A1, AR-15 half by 28 threading, which is what I got. They have the A2, which has the solid bottom and the vents along the sides and the top. That is also AR-15 half by 28. And then they have the early 3-prong duck bill, AR-15 half by 28. And that's for an additional amount. They noticed that. Next up for options are the front sight base, forged with bayonet lug, installed with taper pins, and then without, installed with taper pins. So they would install either one with or without the bayonet lug with the taper pins, but they also noted that without is extra. What's also curious is that when I looked at other assemblies, very similar is also the C7, but that has different little option configurations that are slightly different. So, again, in summary, what we are looking at here is the FAR-15 Legacy Rifle Upper. It's ready to go onto a lower, and this is from FULTON ARMORY. Check them out. Pretty large variety of items. Custom order to build. FULTON ARMORY. So this has been another muzzle to rear show and tell type video. Feel free to check out other videos on the channel, Just the AR platform. And feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.